வணக்கம். வெல்கம் டு Inspire Academy. இந்த வீடியோல நம்ம என்ன பார்க்க போறோம் அப்படின்னா ஏப்ரல் மந்தோட பார்ட் 2 கரண்ட் அஃபேர்ஸ் தான் பார்க்க போறோம். So the first one பாத்தீங்கன்னா President Ramnath Kovind inaugurated Dr. Ambedkar Avenue in which country? So எந்த country அப்படின்னு பாத்தீங்கன்னா Jamaica. President Ramnath Kovind inaugurated India-Jamaica Friendship Garden at Hope Gardens, Jamaica during his 4-day visit to Caribbean nation of Jamaica. So answer is Jamaica. Second one, which city is the host of the Plast India 2023 11th International Plastic Exhibition and Conference? In the city it's New Delhi. So, Union Minister for Chemicals and Fertilizers and Health and Family Welfare, Dr. Mansukh Mandavia, launched Plast India 2023 International Plastic Exhibition and Conference with New Delhi. Which telescope is said to be used to produce a movie of black hole movements? So it was Event Horizon Telescope. Which Asian country is named as a host of 2023 IBA Women's World Boxing Championship? So it is India. When is the Wooten Service Tax celebrated in India? So GST Day is celebrated on July 1 to mark completion of 5 years of GST, which was introduced in 2017. July 1st. Next, the Padma multi-purpose bridge, which was seen in the news recently, is located in which country? So, in the country of Bangladesh. Multi-purpose bridge, the longest bridge, was located in Bangladesh, inaugurated by Prime Minister Sheikh Hasina in June 2020. The deficiency of which nutrient causes plants to grow slowly and produce smaller flowers and fruits with its leaves turning yellowish? So, the deficiency it's nitrogen. Without nitrogen, an essential nutrient, plants grow slowly and produce smaller flowers, fruits, their leaves turn yellowish and are less nutrients, insects, birds and animals. As of 2022, which is the world's oldest animal on land? So it is Jonathan, a cyclist giant tortoise. Anamalai Tiger Reserve is located in which state? So Anamalai Tiger Reserve is located in Tamil Nadu. And last, Sergeant Prakash and Vedant Madhavan, who are associated with which sports? So, top Indian swimmer, Sergeant Prakash won men's 200-meter butterfly gold and Vedant Madhavan bagged silver medal in men's 1500-meter freestyle event at Danish Open Swimming meet in Copenhagen, Denmark. So it was swim. So மேலும் விவரங்களுக்கு 98229776 நம்பருக்கு கால் பண்ணுங்க or inspireacadamii.com அப்படிங்கிற கான்டாக்ட் பண்ணுங்க. இந்த வீடியோ வந்துட்டு ஷேர் பண்ணுங்க, சேனலுக்கு சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணுங்க.